Nusano is a privately held physics company working to stabilize supply chains and advance American national security. Headquartered in West Valley City, Utah, Nusano is commercializing platform technologies for radioisotope production, stable isotope enrichment, and advanced separation techniques. Together, these proprietary systems and methods are poised to supply the fight against cancer, fuel the nuclear renaissance, and deliver critical minerals for the modern world.
One of the things I like best about working on Nusano is the cutting-edge technology we get to work on. It's never a dull moment here. Things rapidly change. And it's really fun to work with all these different people here for a common goal.
This company is really unique, and that's one of the things that I love about it. The people that I work with are very smart, they're intelligent, and to be a part of that is extremely rewarding.
Our isotopes are a critical part of the solution to global supply challenges in nuclear medicine, and I get to help customers navigate that every day.